Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today, as you can see, I've been given coordinates through a link that we can open in Google Maps. When we open it, it will take us directly to the coordinates of the device I'm trying to locate. This is thanks to a very handy feature offered by Amigo Bot Chat, which I'll show you right now. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's very important to participate in our new giveaway. You could win a PlayStation 5 Pro ready just in time for Christmas and take your gaming experience to the next level. Let's get started with this tutorial. Once you enter AmigoBot.chat, you'll be greeted by its artificial intelligence interface. Head straight to the chat feature. The AI will prompt you to type in a query, and for this demonstration, the query we'll use is support.user. This will generate a super user that provides us with a list of commands we can use. As you can see, the list is quite extensive. But for this task, we'll focus on the command S-tracking number. Selecting it will bring up the corresponding command on the screen, ready to send. Once you send it, the AI will take over, locating your device. All you need to do is provide the phone number to begin the search. After entering the phone number, it's just a matter of waiting for the process to complete. As you can see, the system has received the information and given us an estimated time of 88 seconds to complete the task. Let's wait and see the results. The process will help us locate our mobile device, whether we left it somewhere or want to find out someone's location. With the help of this link, Google Maps will display the exact location. Remember, this is a completely free process that you can try yourself without any issues. While the system is working, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into problems. I'll be happy to help. Now the system has located the network record, and it's asking us to complete a security verification. This step ensures that no unauthorized person is trying to access your information. It's a simple verification process using your Google account linked to the device. No alerts or notifications will be sent, just a straightforward validation. The system will ask you to install one of the sponsored apps to complete this verification. For instance, you could download and register with Lear's Shops to validate your content, install TikTok and run the app, or download Lords Mobile and play it for 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and complete this step. Once the verification process begins, it opens directly in the Play Store for you to select and complete the necessary step. When the procedure is finished, you'll see a confirmation check mark indicating successful verification. The system will then provide the exact location of the device, including the coordinates and a Google Maps link to view it. And that's how you can track a mobile device in real time using Google Maps and just a phone number. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.